This is a lost treasure from the Konkani coast of India. In our fast-paced modern world, we have lost the patience for dishes like this, a slow, soulful, multi-step labor of love. This is Sungtache Wadi, an ancient craft of steaming fresh prawns into delicate savory cakes. But the journey doesn't end with the steam. These diamonds are seared until golden, then tucked into a velvety sun-bright coconut gravy. Every bite is a balance of spice and memory, a reminder that some things are worth the wait.
Begin by cleaning and deveining 7 to 8 large prawns. We are going to hand cut them into small chunks about 2 to 3 millimeters in size. It is important not to blend or mince them into a paste. In a bowl, add besan followed by rice flour. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and crushed carom seeds. Add a pinch of salt and give the dry ingredients a good mix. Now pour in 1/3 cup of water. You'll notice the batter is quite thick. Don't be tempted to add extra water. Trust the process. This thick consistency is exactly what we need. Fold in the chopped prawns. As you mix, the moisture from the prawns will naturally thin out the batter. To stay true to traditions, we are going to steam this using a tiffin box. Take a kitchen towel, dip in oil and grease a 5 by 5 inch tiffin box thoroughly. Sprinkle the bottom with Kashmiri chili powder and crushed black pepper. Carefully pour the batter in. Spread it evenly and give the box a few firm taps on the table to remove any air bubble. Cover the tiffin box tightly. Place it into a preheated steamer and let it steam for 12 minutes. Once done, remove the box and let it cool completely for 15 to 20 minutes. This cooling period is crucial for the wadi to set. Use a sharp knife to loosen the edges of the cake first. Flip the box over and give it a gentle tap. The cake should slide right out. The texture should be firm on the outside with a slight chew. If it feels too soft, steam it for another minute or two. Cut the cake into beautiful diamond shapes. Next, let's make the masala. Add grated coconut, cumin seeds, salt and turmeric into a mixie. Add a tablespoon of water and grind it into an ultra-smooth fine paste. Set this aside. Heat a pan with a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Pan sear your diamond wadis until they turn a deep speckled golden brown. Flip them after 2 minutes, making sure to sear the sides as well. These prawn wadis are so delicious they are actually perfect to eat as a snack just like that. Start by slitting the center of your red chilies in a pot. Heat a tablespoon of ghee over medium-high flame. Add your curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. Stirring for 15 seconds until fragrant. Add the chilies and your coconut paste. Saute these for about 3 minutes until the raw aroma vanishes. Turn off the heat for a moment. Prepare your tamarind water by mixing tamarind paste with a tablespoon of water and add it to the pot. Stir in a 1/4 cup of coconut cream and a 1/4 cup of water. If you're using fresh coconut milk, use a 1/2 cup and skip the water. Mix until the gravy is silky smooth. Then add a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Turn the heat back on. Once the curry starts to bubble, gently light your seared wadis into the sauce. Coat them gently. Add another 1/4 cup of water if it's too thick. And simmer for just 30 seconds. This Sungtache Wadi curry is a true taste of heritage that pairs perfectly with a mound of steaming white rice. If you enjoyed discovering this lost recipe with us today, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep this tradition alive together. See you in the next recipe.